Hi guys, welcome back. Here so I can make this text so that it looks like the the symbols on a reel for slot machine in After Effects. So there will be this cylinder that will have rows of text and then it will be rolled. Click on your composition, 1080p, 60 FPS, 15 seconds, click on OK, and then we're going to make a new composition. Let's say if the width is like around 1,000, and then the height will be no, the width will be 5,000, 2,000, and then the height will be 500, and then create rows of text. Click on the type tool and then type in talking tips just like this. Make it slightly smaller. Make sure that the line, the leading is decreased. Drag this slider for leading and then paste it several times, and then enough to hold on, to fit the composition, and then rotate it, but centerize it first. Rotate it first actually, and then rotate it like 90 degrees, and then centerize it. We have to add more text actually. Copy and then paste. Alright, hold on. Just like so. Copy and then paste it. Paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it. And then make it fit just like this, and then centerize it. Right click, transform, center anchor point, right click on it again, transform, center in view, just like this. And then moving on to the first composition, drag the second composition that we created, and then head over to effect, perspective, and then cylinder. There you go. We're going to do some tweaks with the Y rotation, or we can actually do some tweaks with the lighting, just like so. So it looks like this pretty much. Then we're going to do some tweaks with the height, just like so. Then for the direction, do it like this. Then for the shading, you can do some tweaks with the shading as well, so that the center part of the text gets highlighted. And then what we're going to do now is to add some camera. Add a camera, that's to say, right click, new, and then camera. Okay, and then actually, we don't need the camera, actually. We'll have to rotate it 90 degrees by 270. Yeah, that. Attaboy. Fancy, right? And then we're going to roll it. Roll it just like this. Okay. Alright, now we're going to decrease the the ambient, so that only this part of this text is highlighted. Then for the height as well, we can change it just like so. And then going to this will do actually. And then right click, new camera, and then click on OK when you're done. Hold on. Then make sure the second composition is much wider, 1,000, so that there's more room for the the text animation to be done. And then simply rotate the rotation Y, turn on the stopwatch, and then let's say at 15 seconds it's done a 3-time rotation, for example. And then we're going to do some tweaks with this, so that it fits. Zoom it in just like so. Then it will look like this pretty much. Fancy. Then for the leading, this will do. Then scale it a bit. Then position it to the right. Alright, make sure that it lies just like this. Alright, hold on now. Not much space. Really works there. That's how you can make this cylindrical text looks like a reel that's rolled for slot machines in After Effects. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.